What's up, guys? We're going to do a GSRS install video. I've got a 13/7 pinned upper with a B5 stock. We're going to take the crimp end and the clip end, put this on the back side of the stock, grab the looped end with 2 fingers and clip it. Slide the crimp and the clip to the non-dominant shooter side. And then we're going to install our pull tab. Slide the tab through, double it over, feed it through the slot, pull until you hear it pop. And depending on how you want your tab oriented, roll your shock cord over and it will orient your pull tab either forward or aft facing. And that's it. GSRS Plus installed on a B5 or any stock with a large cheek weld. Pick the correct size based on how tall this is. The quad rail would fit any of the taller stocks between the slot and the top of the stock itself.